All right guys, so today for this video we are going to do some 0 to 60 runs in the S2000. And if you've seen any of the previous videos, you already know that this is now K-swapped. I have a K24 out of a JDM Acura TSX, and it is worlds better daily drivability, especially on track, just having torque pretty much all the way through the RPMs. And I got a pretty decent bump in horsepower. I'm at 217 to the wheels and 184 foot-pounds of torque, which is significantly more than what these make stock with the F20. So we're going to be doing some runs. We have a draggy setup in here so we can actually get some legitimate times, and then you'll have that right away. And then I also have a GoPro set up here, as well as Carissa with the camera. So we do have 2 passengers in the car, so take that into account. But we're gonna go ahead and get out on the road and make our way to Mexico so we can do some 0 to 60 runs.
Poor little octopus doesn't survive.
If you guys have APR mirrors on any car, you know how easily they are bumped and moved out of the way, so that can be kind of annoying. Here we go, see what she can do. Now it is like 40 degrees outside and I'm on some worn down summer tires, so grip is not gonna be the greatest, especially on the surface that we're on, but we'll do a couple runs and see what we can get out of it. I was having to feather the throttle quite a bit, and I only launched at like 3,000 RPM, which, coming from an F series where you're not spinning the tires unless you're dumping the clutch at like 6,000 RPM, and even then it'll bog down. This at 3,000 RPM just lights the tires up.
I don't know if you can see that. Oh, there, now you can see it.
Oh yeah, somebody's been having fun.
I didn't know this was back here.
That was not us.
I did not know this was back here. That's not a good thing to know.
Yeah, we got a little skid pad by the shop. All right, so we're gonna try that again. That was 6.5 seconds, which this car can do much better than that, but like I said, there's 0 traction here. So we'll try this again here. Nothing but wheel spin.
We got buddies recording as well. At least it sounds cool now.
So, I don't think we're gonna get much better than that right now, especially on these roads. And as you could clearly see, it's just wheel spin city. So, on a warmer, nicer day in a few months when it's actually like spring or summertime,
And we have better tires.
and I have stickier tires and newer tires, we'll do that again, and I guarantee we can get that down quite a bit. So unfortunately, due to time of year, location being in Minnesota, and it being February 2nd, that's about as good as we're gonna get for now. So till next time.